Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 3032E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300E front end loader. Tractor has approximately 350 hours on it. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. The tractor is rated at 31 horsepower. So very nice clean little tractor here. Perfect size for property maintenance, for brush hogging, mowing, handling manure, anything to that nature. Really nice versatile tractor. It is a four-wheel drive unit. A couple small scuffs in the hood here, but overall very nice tractor. It does have the R4 tires on it. Has the foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch with the top link and drawbar. PTO is also 540 on this machine. Has the hydrostat transmission with 2 ranges. Lever right here is for high and low, and then you have twin pedals down below for forward and reverse. So very easy to operate tractor here. Again, does come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into August of 2027. So lots and lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.